You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of the sweet substance as a sugar replacement? There are indeed two different pronunciations. A lot of people or videos even on YouTube say otherwise, but yeah, two different ways of pronouncing it. The most common is probably as aspartame. Aspartame. Not aspartame or aspartame. Aspartame, or in American English, aspartame. Now, the pronunciation aspartame also exists with a stress on the second syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.